Postmortem was done in the same hospital.
I don't.
So that way
Postmortem was also done in the same.
I don't want to. This is entirely accusatory. I don't want to contradict my learned friend, but the record will show what happened.
Lord, one more fact, my lord, it may.
And we have a note on timeline exactly what time what happened. It's there. What else we
page?
We'll mark the page. And mothers, also I have a timeline, mothers, as to each minute what happened.
Can you just give us the page of the PMR? So we don't have to.
I can give PMR, my lord, I have postmortem. I have, my lord, handy.
You have the PMR?
Yes, sir. That is provided to us by the local police, my lord. It was given to us. Just flag it.
We saw it yesterday.
This report, my lord.
Well, that's 202 of our status report.
My lord, this has the flagging also. Whatever your lordship would like to say.
But that can't change in any case. The postmortem is postmortem.
Yes.
Page 13 of the case diary.
Yes. And my lord, our status report also has it, page 202.
So, yes.
Please, and you know, Mr. Amit, please tell them that the committee will definitely give them a hearing. We'll reiterate that in our order today. We will certainly, Mr. Amit, your point is well taken. We'll make it clear.
My lord.
Absolutely, Mr. Kamath, we are grateful to you actually for personally, because you know our hearts go out to all those people who have to go to public hospitals. So we will make an observation that the committee would hear all stakeholders, including the Resident Doctors Association. Of course, not 30,000 doctors, but a representative.
One part in the application.
Right.
On 26th, 27th.
The 27th.
Your lordship, they've received notices for closure on eviction on 26th, 27th, your lordship. They're only bothering.
The notice of closures is 27th.
Eviction, your lordship. They are small coach out.
In the morning on the 27th. Tomorrow is a very heavy day.
It's brought to my notice by one young lawyer, my lord, representing someone. I'll not, my lord, right now divulge the my lord, identity of the person, but he seems to have filed I have received, my lord, the director has received, and today the learned advocate gave me a copy. Just, my lord, the part which I have marked, I would not have troubled your lordships with this, but for the fact that the person who has, my lord, brought this has filed this complaint in 2023. So it can't be discarded, my lord, as something afterthought or some out of some personal.
Give us a copy, please.
And the next page also.
Can I have a copy? It's a formal complaint. It will be a public record.
Made in 23. That's what he says. No, this is given to the director yesterday, but he mentions that the complaint which is mentioned there, the allegations, were made by him. And let's see, annexure B. He made these allegations in 2023 in writing, addressed to many people, many officials. Yes.
Yeah.
So, Sibyl, there's one aspect which is extremely disturbing. GD entry in regard to the unnatural death is recorded at 10:10 in the morning.
That's correct.
Right? So at 10:10, the police station, in this case, the
Tala police station.
Tala PS is informed at 10:10 that there's an unnatural death.
Yes.
Notwithstanding all this, the securing of the crime scene and the seizure and everything takes place at 11 o'clock, 11:30 in the night.
No. Well, that's why I've got timelines. Well, this is a bit unfortunate. I'll just give you the timeline. Exactly.
What are you doing up to
Well,
there?
kindly, I've given minute by minute what happened, Malats. We have a timeline prepared for your lordships, Malats. And it's backed by videography. It's not, Malats, something that we are saying.
Can I be shared with the timeline?
Yes, we'll share it. I wish you had asked, shared what you passed on to the.
We don't have to ask you to give it to CBI.
Doesn't
We
matter.
were on
I
the
don't have
ground.
to request.
Mistake, my lords. Could we
You are bound to give everything
given
to
it yourself.
You have not given.
You should have given it yourself.
Lord, I believe.
Lord, I am getting Calcutta police. Ships have, Lord.
Malats, we have.
Reports.
Properly, Malats.
As per the autopsy report,
Yes.
the autopsy was conducted in the evening hours of 9.
No. On 9th.
On 9?
On 9th.
August.
Yes.
Now the GD entry
Yes.
of unnatural death case was recorded on 23:30 hours on 9. That is 11:30. Now,
That's for the FIR. UD case was in the morning, Malats.
but then
1:47 p.m.
as per the report submitted to us.
No, that's why I have the timeline, Malats. It's better, your lordship. I'll give it to my lord.
23 is the FI.
1 second, allow me.
That is right.
The scene of crime, including inquest, seizures, and autopsy, were carried out mentioning the GD entry number 542 dated 9/8/2024. Now, this GD entry was made
And 861.
and it's case number 861.
Malats, may I, with your lordship's permission, Malats, allow me to place the timeline before your lordship, given minute by minute, as to what happened. Malats, if there is, kindly hold on. Just give it to my lord.
Mr. Sibal,
Yeah.
just tell us from your record at what time the postmortem was performed.
Yes. I tell your lordship.
From your record.
Yes.
That is for the time being
6:10 to 7:10 p.m.
in the evening,
Yes.
correct?
Correct.
When you are taking the dead body
Yes.
for the purpose of performing postmortem,
Yes.
is it a case of unnatural death or not? If it is not a case of unnatural death, why do you have to perform the postmortem?
It is a case.
Just so that
Sorry.
you can respond to it.
Sorry.
There are so many questions.
Yes, I agree. Of
coming in
course.
our mind.
Right.
And we have the best of the assistance
Yes.
in your form. When you start performing the postmortem, that means it is a case of unnatural death.
No doubt about it.
Postmortem starts at 18:10 hours.
Yes.
It comes to an end at 19:10 hours.
Yes.
What was the idea in registering UD at 23:30 hours?
That's the FIR, Malats. That's not the UD.
No, sir.
Malats, I've just.
Just listen to us.
I'm sorry.
Either you are right
No.
or
No,
what
it was FIR.
You have to answer your lordship's question, Malats, without interference, please.
You can.
No. Just
Yes,
one
certainly.
clarification.
Certainly.
The records reveal,
Yes.
subject to what you have to further point out to us.
Correct.
UD case number 861 of 24 of police station Tala
Yes.
was registered at 23:30 hours on 9th August 2024. V-Day GD entry number 576 and the FIR number 52 of 2024 was registered at 23:45 hours. Is this record correct?
Malats, may I therefore point out to your lordship, just take the timeline. We've referred everything in
So
it.
according to your record, the UD was registered at what times?
1:45 p.m.
1:45?
p.m.
No, that's not true.
That 1:45 p.m.
How do we reconcile the two records?
Malats, I'll show that to your lordship.
Because we today have a report
Maharaj, but that I'm saying, Maharaj.
which indicates that this is the time. So therefore, it's very surprising. Post-mortem precedes registration of UD.
No, Maharaj, this is what I am told, Maharaj, and I can only
Is
respond.
someone responsible there to assist?
Yes, certainly, Maharaj.
If any officer is present, you may speak to him and tell us.
What is it?
Because if this is the fact, then it is something very dangerous.
I agree with. I agree. Let me just, Maharaj, the officer is here.
Please.
I may beg my lords to point out one thing.
Just a minute.
Just a minute.
Just a
First,
minute.
let him assert it. Tell him to make a responsible statement. He should not make a rash
Of
statement.
course not, Maharaj. No
Tell
question.
him.
No question about it. Maharaj, kindly see page 4 of the diary. What time is this?
Can I have a timeline, please?
Hold on. I have not even handed it to the.
You have not given. I have been requesting since.
I don't know why you are interfering, sir. I have not even given it to the court.
Just a minute. Just a
You
minute.
have-
Allow me to answer the court, please.
There are 3-4 questions.
Yes, Maharaj,
You would
we'll
like-
answer each one, Maharaj. And we can't, Maharaj, we have to make sure that what we say is right, Maharaj. What time is this? Yes. Maharaj, yes. Kindly see, Maharaj. Kindly see page 4 of what? Of the case diary. It will give some indication as to what happened, Maharaj.
Thought.
Yes, it says, Maharaj, that
UD case number 861 of 24 was registered at what hours?
145.
From where do you get this?
It mentions, Maharaj.
From where do you get that?
I'm just trying to show. Make sure that. Date is one.
That's common. That's common.
Don't be careful. In the state.
It's all right. As long as we get the correct answer.
Correct.
No problem.
Our reports are based on the case diary they have given to us.
Just a minute, Mr. Solicitor General. They are expected to reply to our question. Why take so much of time? Just show the time on the document, that's all. All that you need to do is refer to that document and tell us at what time UD, again I am repeating, 861 of 24 was registered.
Yes.
Has to be in the case diary. Should you show it? The UD case document is here. We can't possibly. My lord is asking.
डेटें आपके पास पे है हर्ड कॉपी में we'll ढूंढ रहे हैं
There's something.
Yes.
When we take up this matter on the next date,
Yes.
keep a responsible police officer
Yes.
present here
Yes. Absolutely.
who had done or who had carried out all this
Yes.
exercise.
We'll do that.
He should be able to tell us.
Yes.
Till this point of time, we have not got the answer. What time it was registered?
No, my lord is right.
But what time is this?
No, the question is time.
Mr. Sibal,
Maharaj, kindly see, quite frankly, Maharaj, I'll have to construct this for your lordship. Maharaj. For example, page 2 of the case diary, the UD case Requisition of the magistrate for inquiry. Just kindly see requisition
Sharma,
for inquest.
can you tell us at what time the inquest Panchnama was drawn?
Yes, we'll just tell you that. That also we have in timeline. 4:20 to 40 p.m.
4:20 to 4:40 p.m. And now the record reveals the report which we have in our hand that UD was registered after the inquest Panchnama, after the postmortem.
That was made before the magistrate to carry out the inquest mentions
the UD.
But that's page number 2 of the case diary.
That's what we were going to point out.
Now, Mr. Solicitor General,
Yes.
has the CBI collected the record which is available to them?
Yes.
They have collected it?
We have collected.